If you ever wonder what will happen if I do X instead of Y, you will absolutely love Excel's What If Analysis tool. What If Analysis is a tool that can help us experiment between different scenarios to answer questions on what our input and output values can be when our data is incomplete. Excel has three default What If Analysis tools: GoalSeek, Scenario Manager, and Data Tables. We will learn how to use each of these, but let's just introduce them briefly. In GoalSeek, we set a particular goal or output value and then determine the input values required to achieve this goal. Scenario Manager allows us to test multiple scenarios with variable inputs to see how they affect our output result. Data tables are similar to Scenario Manager in that we can test multiple input combinations to see how they affect our output result. However, this is limited to two variable inputs only. As part of Food to Go's growth strategy, Ishan is ramping up marketing efforts. He believes promotions have a big impact on sales, but wants to understand how different discounts will affect total orders and monthly revenue. We can set up a simple scenario like this to understand how GoalSeek can help us. On average, Food to Go customers spend $25 per order, and there are approximately 2,000 orders per month. Let's say Food to Go frequently offers a 10% discount. How much will its average revenue per month be? We can enter a formula into cell B6 to calculate this. Revenue will be equal to average spend per order multiplied by number of total orders and then multiplied by 1 minus the discount amount to reflect that when offering a 10% discount, Food to Go will only receive 90% of the regular order value. We must include brackets in our formula because of the order of operations. If we press enter, we will see that average revenue in this scenario will be $45,000. Now in our table, we have three inputs and an output. We can think of GoalSeek as working backwards. We tell Excel what our desired output is and how to calculate it, and give Excel 2 out of 3 inputs. We then ask Excel to calculate our variable input and tell us what it must be to achieve our desired result. Let's try this out. Click on your goal or output value cell, which in our case is average revenue, then go to the data ribbon and click on the What If Analysis command. From the drop-down menu, we should select GoalSeek. Now in this dialog box, we have to first tell Excel what our set cell is. This is the goal that we have set, which in our case is average revenue, which is cell B6. Next, we have to tell Excel what to set this value to, which is the average revenue amount. Let's enter 40,000. Now we have to tell Excel which cell we are changing in order to achieve this goal, which will be our discount rate, cell B5. If we press OK, GoalSeek will iterate to find out the discount rate. Our results show that if Food to Go wants to generate an average revenue of $40,000 per month, given that customers spend an average of $25 per order and they receive 2,000 orders per month, the maximum discount they can offer customers is 20%. Using the same table, we can always run GoalSeek again to test out a new revenue goal, or change a different input variable, or even provide revenue as an input and change our desired output to one of these. If we change our goal, for example, to total orders per month, this will become our output value, and the other three variables will become inputs. This time, we would have to enter a formula into the total orders cell to tell Excel how to calculate it, and then decide which input variable we want to change. GoalSeek is very useful when we want to achieve a desired result and want to find out how to get there.